My name is Raman Uberoi. I'm an interventional consultant in Oxford, and I was honoured to deliver the Gruentzig Lecture. The key messages from that lecture is that we need to radically think about how we train future generations, how we support interventional radiologists to get them control of their working lives, and that's both financial, it's also professional, and preparing everyone to be able to deliver the 24/7 interventional practice that we want to give for patients. And ultimately, it's about improving patient care right around the world. Now, I believe the way we can do that is to create a specialty of interventional radiology, not just in the UK, but every country throughout the world. Now, we already have two specialty countries, that's the United States, and Japan, I believe, this year has become the next country with special status. There are many countries considering this, but there is a real issue in being able to deliver that because there's a lot of resistance to change. But specialty is crucial because it'll give us control over our training, it'll give us control over our working lives. It'll also give us a strong voice when arguing for resources to invest in, and from the healthcare regulating authorities, investing in healthcare in IR, so we can make the changes and developments to improve the working lives of interventional radiologists, so we have the right numbers of interventionists in the centres to provide 24/7 care. So it also helps us think about work-life balance, but also getting the right numbers. So thinking about workforce planning. We can know how many we need, we just need to be able to then determine how many we need to bring into the specialty. At the moment, it's fairly random how many radiologists choose or decide to come into interventional radiology practice. So we have no way of workforce planning for the future and can make working in hospitals incredibly difficult. So I urge everyone to support and move towards becoming a specialty in their countries. I also think, as Mahatma Gandhi said, we need to start making the changes to ourselves that we would like to see in the world in the future. And so we need to start making those changes now in each of our countries, in our departments, and in ourselves, to make that evolutionary step, which is, I think, so essential for the survival of interventional radiology. And this is not novel and new. This has happened many times before. We started off barber surgeons 200 years ago. We've now developed into multiple different specialties as the need has arisen. And this would just be the next step for interventional radiology.